every year. Yoga is a medicine that has power to cure every disease of this universe. Prescription of doctor. Including yoga in everyday life is one of the healthiest practices that people can ever make.
Mainly this year theme was yoga for self and society. We are here to spread some awareness about yoga in our school institutions and some other organizations. Programs are organized whereby different developers speeches on yoga day. This is small efforts towards making yoga a part of everyone's life. We came up with lot of interesting yoga day speeches that will help people in their future.
The declaration was done by after the call of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to United Nations General Assembly on 27th of September in 2014 during his address to UN General Assembly on the day. On the day, record of people practiced yoga in Delhi under the leadership of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
This is actually the most superficial aspect of this proposed science of unfolding infinite potentials of human mind and soul. This leads to the development of body, mind and soul by mastering certain yoga postures and asanas, which release techniques. Pranayama is specialized in the simplest form of yoga which can be done before any asana. It teaches how you can do wonders to your body by taking control over your own movements. Let you know some amazing and natural benefits of yoga.
It was a world record for the highest participation on single yoga session to bring communities much closer together to spend a day for else some busy schedule to help you get relief from the stress through yoga.
Giving this wonderful opportunity for me.
tomorrow. Respected teachers, brothers and sisters, Sairam and good morning. Honor and privilege to extend a vote of thanks. First of all, let me start by giving glory to the Almighty for making today's occasion a resounding success. Gratitude can transform days into thanksgiving, turns routine job into joy, and change ordinary opportunity into blessing. I would like to take this opportunity to thank our chief guest, Shri Harishuddhaya Sir, Secretary of Sai Shankar Vidyashala, for being kind enough to accept our invitation and despite his busy schedule has found time to grace us. But today we are missing him, but still I thank him. I would take up this moment to thank our administrator, Srimati Neeta ma'am. It is her vision and leadership that has brought everything possible in this institution. Thank you, ma'am.